Welcome back. In this video, we're making sugar cookies. For the dry ingredients, 5 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, a half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of cream of tartar. Give it a quick mix. For the wet ingredients, into a large stand mixer, 1.5 cups of regular white sugar, 1 cup of powdered sugar, 2 sticks of unsalted butter. Cream together on high speed for 4 minutes. Reduce the speed to low and add in 2 eggs one at a time, 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Slowly pour in 1 cup of canola oil. Add in the flour mixture a little bit at a time. Using an ice cream scoop, scoop out a portion of the mixture. Roll it into a ball-shaped size with your hands. Grab a glass cup with a flat base. Dip the base in some water, then some sugar. Press into the cookie dough balls. Sprinkle each cookie with some sugar on top, also known as decorative sugar. Bake at 350 degrees for 15 minutes. And there we have it, sugar cookies. That's it for today, guys. Drop a like and a comment below. Subscribe if you're new. I'll see you next time.